The beast has awakened. The God candle is right here and it is still rising. Forget Bitcoin at $100,000. XRP just shattered its all-time high, and a key price metric is up a mind-blowing 300% since the start of 2025. That's right, we're talking a potential move to $10, even $50, according to some analysts. That's huge. Congratulations to the diamond hands that held strong, unlucky to those that sold at $1. This is so exciting to watch, chat. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your #1 source for all things crypto. I'm your host, Gold Rush, and today we've got a double shot of crypto excitement that'll blow your socks off. We're talking XRP, the coin that's making headlines and leaving the competition in the dust. Let's start with this eye-opening article from Cointelegraph titled XRP Key Price Metric Up by 300% in 2025 as the altcoin hits new all-time highs. This is huge, people. Let's get into it. XRP's open interest has increased by $6 billion since the start of the month as the altcoin soared to new all-time highs. XRP has entered a price discovery period for the first time since 2017. The altcoin has exhibited a 3-month consecutive green candle for only the second time in its history, with the current streak far more significant than the period between March and May 2017. Price discovery, folks, for the first time since 2017. This means XRP is in uncharted territory. There's no historical resistance to hold it back, and 3 consecutive green monthly candles, that's incredibly bullish. This is a major sign of strength. While the altcoin has attained a new all-time high on certain exchanges, a break above $3.40 will confirm a clear all-time high. So we're right on the cusp of a confirmed, undisputed all-time high across all exchanges. This is it, people. This is the moment XRP holders have been waiting for. This is a huge milestone. Now let's talk about this key metric. Open interest. XRP's open interest, I, has reached a new all-time high of $7.9 billion, with the OI increasing by 27.34% over the past 24 hours. And the futures volume has doubled at the same time, currently at $42.87 billion, according to CoinGlass data. Since January 1st, XRP's open interest has increased by 300%, jumping from $1.92 billion at the beginning of 2025. Did you catch that? Open interest is at a new all-time high of $7.9 billion. And it's up 300% since the start of the year. That's a massive increase. This shows that there's a ton of new money flowing into XRP. This is incredibly bullish. But here's where it gets interesting. The common assumption here would be that the futures market has played a vital role in XRP's parabolic rise. However, that has not been the case. Dom, an on-chain analyst, continue to shed light on the fact that XRP's rally is spot-driven. This is crucial, folks. This rally is not being driven by leveraged futures trading. It's being driven by actual spot buying. People are buying and holding real XRP. This is a much healthier and more sustainable form of growth. Let's see what this on-chain analyst Dom has to say. Perps have faded every single pump and jumped into shorts on every single pullback. The above statement was further verified with futures data analysis. As observed, the funding rate remained constant in January, whereas it increased rapidly during XRP's initial rally in November. So the futures traders are actually betting against XRP. They're shorting every pump, but the spot buyers are overwhelming them. This is a classic battle between the bulls and the bears, and right now the bulls are winning big time. On the other hand, aggregated spot volumes registered an uptick, which validated Dom's argument about XRP's rally being spot-driven. Furthermore, a negative aggregated premium on open interest implied that the futures market has continued to bid against an XRP price rise. This means the current situation is a tussle between bullish spots and bearish perps. This is fascinating. We have a negative premium on open interest. This means that the futures market is actually pricing in a decline in XRP's price, but the spot market is saying the opposite. This is a bullish divergence, folks. It suggests that the spot market is much stronger than the futures market, and that the price is likely to continue rising. Now let's take a look at exchange reserves. Amid the market euphoria, it is important to note that the XRP exchange reserve has slowly increased over the past few weeks. Data from CryptoQuant identified that XRP reserves on Binance have increased by 10% since December 16th. Earlier in November, the reserves dropped rapidly when XRP's price was breaking out. Okay, so there is some profit taking happening. Exchange reserves have increased slightly. This is to be expected after such a massive rally, but it's important to note that reserves are still below the 2024 yearly average. So while some people are taking profits, the overall trend is still bullish. This is not a major concern right now. And finally, let's talk about the whales. Meanwhile, Sentiment, a data analytics platform, highlighted that XRP whale activity has risen to its highest level in 6 weeks. In an X post, the analytics website mentioned, "We have just seen 2,365 $100,000 plus XRP transactions in the latest 8-hour span, the highest spike since December 34th. So holders are also skyrocketing. Whale activity is surging. We're seeing the highest level of whale transactions in 6 weeks. These are the big players, folks. They're accumulating XRP and they're doing it in a big way. This is a major bullish sign. You always have to pay attention to what the whales are doing. And right now they're screaming buy. Now let's move on to our second article, this one from FX Leaders, titled Daily Crypto Signals. XRP leads crypto rally as the former president signals support for US-based digital assets. While Bitcoin keeps its place over $100,000, XRP has entered its first phase of price discovery since 2017 and reached fresh all-time highs around $3.39. The former president-elect is apparently thinking of creating a strategic reserve emphasizing U.S. foundational coins, therefore signifying a major change in the acceptance of cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is holding strong above $100,000, but XRP is stealing the show. And that talk about a U.S. strategic reserve for crypto, that's a potential game changer. Imagine the government officially endorsing and holding cryptocurrencies. Crypto market developments. Driven mostly by institutional interest and possible legislative changes, the Bitcoin market is undergoing a notable transition. Reported openness of the former president-elect to create a strategic reserve giving US-based cryptocurrencies top priority has spurred fierce market activity. The idea, which would call for USD Coin, Solana, and XRP, has divided the crypto community, with some complaining over possible marginalizing of Bitcoin. This is huge, folks. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in how the US government views cryptocurrencies. And while some are concerned about Bitcoin being left out, the inclusion of XRP in this potential strategic reserve is incredibly bullish for Ripple. And Bitcoin BTC/USD struggles to maintain its level even if it is still above $100,000 without important drivers. 3 important elements might confirm Bitcoin's pricing position: loosened rules on retirement investments, legislative changes allowing more institutional involvement, and growing respect of Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset. By letting banks designate custodial crypto assets as off-balance sheet items, the deletion of SAB 121 advice could especially help them. So, Bitcoin is consolidating above $1,000, but it needs some new catalysts to push higher, and those catalysts could be coming in the form of regulatory changes. The potential removal of SAB 121, which is a major hurdle for banks holding crypto, could be a huge boost for Bitcoin and the entire market. This could open the floodgates for more institutional adoption. Now, let's get back to XRP. Having entered its first price discovery phase since 2017, XRP/USD has become the most outstanding player on the market. representing a startling 300% growth since January 1st, 2025. The altcoin's open interest has hit a new all-time high of $7.9 billion. Unlike usual market swings, XRP's present surge is mostly spot-driven. Future markets show pessimistic attitude. Though this legal development hasn't slowed market enthusiasm, XRP up 10% despite the filing. The SEC has submitted fresh arguments in its appeal against Ripple Labs. We've covered this before, but it's worth repeating. XRP's rally is spot-driven. This is not a speculative bubble fueled by leverage. This is real buying pressure. And even with the SEC filing fresh arguments in its appeal, the market is shrugging it off. XRP is up 10% despite the news. This shows the incredible strength and resilience of XRP. This is a major sign of strength. The article also mentions Cardano. Strong momentum in 2025 has seen Cardano ADA/USD rise 30% and hold positions over $1 for the first time since April 2022. Veteran trader Peter Brandt has said ADA has bottomed and is headed for a grand bull market. Technical study of the altcoin reveals positive signals, including a double bottom, base development, and the rebounds from important Fibonacci retracing points. Though 64.7% below its all-time high of $3.09, ADA's risk-to-reward ratio seems appealing to traders. So Cardano is also showing signs of strength. Veteran trader Peter Brandt is calling for a grand bull market in ADA. This is another bullish signal for the overall altcoin market. It seems like the rising tide is lifting all boats and XRP is leading the charge. This is great news for the whole crypto market. So let's tie it all together. We have XRP hitting new all-time highs. We have open interest up a staggering 300%. We have a spot-driven rally with futures traders betting against it. We have whales accumulating massive amounts of XRP. We have a potential pro-crypto administration coming in, and we have the possibility of a U.S. strategic reserve that includes XRP. Folks, I'm telling you, this is it. This is the moment XRP holders have been waiting for. This is not just a short-term pump. This is the beginning of a major bull run. The fundamentals are strong, the technicals are bullish, and the sentiment is through the roof. I'm incredibly excited about XRP's future. I believe that XRP is about to go parabolic, and the $10 to $50 targets are not out of the question. This is going to be epic. All right, crypto crew, I want to hear from you. What do you think about XRP's epic rally? Are you buying, selling, or holding? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. Let's grow this crypto community together. As you can see in these articles, the evidence is overwhelming. XRP is on the verge of something massive. The charts are bullish, the on-chain data is bullish, and the news flow is incredibly positive. This is a perfect storm for a historic price surge. And hey, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other top cryptocurrencies. I've got a ton of great content to help you navigate this exciting market. And so you can find links to those videos in the description below. Now, as always, I have to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Crypto is a volatile market and you could lose money. Only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, let's recap. XRP is exploding to new all-time highs. Key price metrics are skyrocketing. Sales are accumulating. The US government might be getting involved, and analysts are calling for $10 to $50 or more. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, folks. So what are you waiting for? Join the Gold Rush Crypto Daily community today, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's ride this XRP wave together. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and stay bullish. Gold Rush, out.